Buenos dias, clase. Today we're going to be working independently and together. Your first assignment is to complete La Campanada, Semana Ocho, Día Uno. You have 5 minutes to complete that assignment. Once you have finished that, I want you to work on the classwork called Jumbled Sentences for 20 minutes. Then we are going to review what you've done as a class together for 10 minutes. The third assignment is your question revision. So you're going to take one question that you created yesterday. And after we've done the sentences together, then we've reviewed them, you might know that, yeah, maybe I have to revise one of my questions. And then what you're going to do, you're going to revise your question, your answer, and you're going to find the slide in the story, and we're going to put it together in a shared Google slide presentation. When you do that, so you're going to have two slides. One is going to be, you're going to copy the slide with your question, your answer, and it has a slide number on it. You're going to copy that. Then you're going to go to the story, the original story that you used for the questions, and you're going to copy and paste the slide that has the answer. Okay, that's going to be your textual evidence. The answer to your question into the new Google slide. Okay, so you're going to have two slides that you're going to copy into the new presentation. Please create a text box somewhere on the slide that has your name on it. So both slides should have your name on it so you can receive credit. After that, we'll see how much time we have left, and then we're going to review the revised questions together. What I want to show you is how to work on the jumbled sentences. The jumbled sentences, you have words, you have to make sentences with these words. So you're going to drag the boxes into these spaces here. So you're going to drag the words into the white rows. Okay, so you're going to make a sentence. Obviously, I'm not going to give you the answers to these because this is something you're going to work on. After you make a sentence, you are then in the yellow box, you're going to type what the question is in Spanish. Okay, you're going to type what the sentence was in Spanish. The purpose of this activity is for you to review the two things that we have been focusing on. The first thing is the Sweet 16 verbs, and you'll see that they are in green. And the next thing are, and they're in orange, are your question words. Okay, so you have several slides here. You're going to go through all of them. On slide 5, there are two possible correct answers for each. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You can make a sentence. For the other ones, the words don't fit unless it's part of the sentence. For this one, they are interchangeable. So you just have to make two correct sentences, and we'll go over that at the end of class. So you're going to do this and you're going to submit. Okay, then you're going to go to your questions, revised question. What you're going to do is, here we are. You're just going to click underneath the last slide that was placed in there. You're going to be careful since all of you are going to be working on at the same time, that you don't mess anybody else's up. Just make sure your name is on each slide. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to yesterday's questions activity that you did and copy and paste a revised question. Now, if you think all of your questions were perfect, go ahead and copy and paste that slide, but then go into the Sweet 16 story and find where the answer was, and you'll know what slide it was on because you put that in your assignment. Copy that slide here, put your name on it, so we know that that's the answer that goes with it. So here you're practicing how to show textual evidence, and you're using some reading skills and writing skills as well. Okay? All right, see you soon.